Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Please like this video also so it can reach on the algorithm. Today we're going to be talking about Aidonia. You see me? And what me notice Aidonia do for dancehall right now, because Aidonia right now trying to bring back Alkaline career, people. That means see right now, because Alkaline been out of dancehall for a couple months or year now, would I say. You can't go on stage show in Jamaica and see Alkaline no time. You get me? But now, Aidonia, I bring back out Alkaline because, the whole Massacre and Alkaline should have clashed thing and go on. You see me? Yeah, me not bring down the artists, I like what I'm doing, I like what Aidonia do. You see me? Because Aidonia do a thing that most artists now do and should not do. You get me? I don't know where I work for, but I do a good job. So, make we check in Aidonia performance. You see me? I'm tour, because I film tour thing this, you see me? So, I check in performance and then we take after viewers and subscribers.
I need somebody, make some noise, and welcome on stage, Aidonia! Yo. Four generation. Help me. we hurt them, but it's sweet them. Yeah, just a smile with the pretty feet them. Give me the rookie of the beat them. Pull up on the armrest, kick the king them. Give them the bush with the any treatment. And if they feel like they last to be sweet them.
Viewers and subscribers, if you reach this far, please like the video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. And also respect to everybody that viewing my channel, liking my videos. Thank you so much. And as what me say, great performance by Aidonia all the time. I always put out great performance for the fans. You see me? I'm a legend in the dancehall column. I'm respect what Aidonia do for some of the artists them we are idle from dancehall.